So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Tech Viper. So today in this video we will see how to create this bottom navbar animation using Figma. But before that I want you guys to please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified with all the updates. So without wasting time, let's see how to create this. So you can see we are inside the Figma project now. So first of all we will drop a frame by pressing A on our keyboard and we will be selecting iPhone 16. Perfect. Now we need a frame for the bottom navbar. So let's press F on our keyboard and we will select something like this. Perfect. Now from here, if it's like this, click over here, and from here, top left and right radius, we will give it 20 each. Perfect. And we will change this color to black. Great. Let's zoom in a bit. Now let's press O on our keyboard and we will create a circle like this. Perfect. We bring it over here. Let's click space and then try to bring it over here. Let's double click on it. Click on this section and create something like this. Perfect. Now change this color to that of the background of the main frame, that is white. Always keep in mind this board color should match. Now let's press another ellipse, something like this, and now let's change this color to that of the color of the bottom navbar frame, black. Now click over it and holding space again, we will bring it over here. Now select this one again and make it a little bit perfect. You can do the way you want. So it seems great. Now we need an icons. Just go over here, go to plugins and widgets and click on Iconify. From here, first of all, I need a home. Let's select this one. Size I'm putting is a 30 and color is of white. I'm bringing it over here. Let's duplicate it 2 more times. Now let's select this one and search over here, message, select this one and just click over replace icon. It's easy to do. And just click over here, search for profile. I'm selecting this one and just replacing the icon. So done with the icon part. Let's bring it over here. Select both and this one and align it. It's aligned perfectly. Align it to center. Bring it over here. And just check. It's taking 62. Click over here and bring it to 62. 15. Just verify everything. It's 12. So we will make it 15. Now it's perfect. Now if I want to just take it downward, select all, this is 15, let's take it to 12, done. Now select this part one and drag and drop, take it over here. You can see it's below those ellipses, so it's not visible. Just take it upward and align it to center, done. Select everything, put it inside a group. You can just press Command plus G to put it inside a group. Now let's duplicate this whole. Select this. And just bring it over here. Perfectly, it's done. Just check the alignment a bit. Yeah, I did it by holding space, shift now. So you can just do it like that. Now let's select this and this and by holding shift again, bring it over here, select this, and I will just drag and drop it over here. So now you can see it gone outside the group. Just bring it inside and it's done. Now select the whole group and duplicate it again. Just keep one thing in mind. Check this and this are inside the frame 1. Also this and this one is inside the frame 1. Or there will be an issue with while we will be prototyping. So now select this. So now we will select this part, and again by holding shift, we bring it over here. And see, it's perfect. 12. And you can see it's already still inside the group 3. So we will drag and drop it over here. Select this and this now, and by holding shift, we bring it over here. We will check the alignment is perfect. Now the alignment is perfect. Now select this one and just in the middle. And if you are facing this issue, just press space and you can just align it perfectly. So again you can see it's gone outside, so just bring it inside the group, and you can see both are inside this frame 1. Perfect. Now I will select all, go over here, and I will click on component side. Now we'll go to prototype. Now I will select this, and by holding shift I will select this. Then I will release the shift and I will just drag and connect with this one. You can see it's on tap, Smart Animate Gentle is 800. Keep this setting. Same for this one. I will select this, and by holding shift I will select this, and I will just connect it to this one. Same for this, and I will just connect it to this one. Perfect. Now if I go to assets, I will just drag and drop it over here. Go to design, align the center in the bottom, and if I click on prototype now, you can see this animation will pop over. So I hope you love this video. So if you love this video, please do keep on supporting me. Till then, take care. I will see you in the next video.